Myself, Geeta Shankar, associated with Om Ashram for the past 13 years. Founded in the year 2001 by Mr. Mohan Pai and myself. And the add-on trustee is Prarthana Onkarkar from I Volunteer. We have been running this organization for the past 12 years now. This is the 13th year going on. And we started off with only one resident and one nurse and no cook. I was the one who was cooking in the organization. Now we have come up to a stage where we have about 40 residents and 10 staff. And so the total number of mouths to feed now is about 50. So this is the scenario. Old parents here with us who are who are under our care and support for so many years. They are here for reasons best known to them and their family. We are not really concerned about the reasons why they are here. We are more concerned about the fact that they have come to us for help and we need to help them and take care of them. That is the whole idea. So ever since our founder passed away in the year 2010, we faced a lot of difficulties because the major factor was that we lost the moral support behind the organization. But yes, we said the show must go on because the parents, they need help from the society and the other children and people like us probably. So we said the show must go on and we are just going on with whatever we are doing in the best ways we can. We are doing our best actually to take care of the old and sick parents. Now all I need to say here is the parents are here with us. They treat me personally as their mother. They call me their mother, and that is really very touching for me because they feel that they are all my children. So there the saying goes right that old age is a second childhood. So I am very happy to have 40 to 50 children of my own here with me. But it feels sad when we see them dying and in the evening of their lives. So basically our main aim is to keep them happy, bring smiles on them so that we know that this is their last journey. So we want them to go away smiling. They should be happy. So we keep on spreading smiles with them. We try our best to keep them happy basically, so that they have no regrets about their past or whatever they are going through physically, mentally or psychologically, whatever they are going through. We don't want them to remember all those things. We don't want to counsel them on anything or tutor them on anything. We just say, okay, you have come here to our doorstep for help and here we are to help you, and that's it. Before I can appeal for any kind of help, at the outset I would like to thank those people who are already helping us, because there are lots and lots of people who are helping us on an individual basis, on a corporate basis, family, friends, well-wishers, volunteers who have been coming here regularly and celebrating their birthdays and spreading smiles and cheer. See, what I want to say here is money is not the main thing. Money is not the main thing. Money will come. But before that, your physical presence and your compassion, your care and other things are required for the people here. They are not looking for any kind of entertainment or, they are not looking for any posh surroundings or environment. What they want is basically peace for all that they have gone through all these years. So we are very, very grateful to one and all who have helped us so far. And now we would appeal to people to say that now they should actually gain more inspiration from the people who are already helping us, and more people should come forward and help us, so that we can help more people. It is really very sad to say that we are having 40 residents. In fact, I would be very happy to say that I am having only 10 residents. It is so sad. that parents are adding on every month into the old age homes. And here I would also like to mention, see, I am not the only person here who is running an old age home and looking after people. There are many other good souls who are doing this work for the elderly, and cheers to all of them, and of course cheers to myself also along with them. But we would appeal to the public, to the corporates, to the government, to come forward and say, okay, something is being done for the elderly. Let us also support them in some ways. It is not that they are not supporting, they may be supporting in various places, but we want support. Now here at Om Ashram Trust Old Age Care for last 12 years, I can say, we have got people from various backgrounds, from the lower class, the middle class, upper middle class, and the higher class also. So what we find here is that we find very poor people, people from financially okay background, and people from good financial background also. So the thing is that we are just trying to balance the situation by the whatever we collect from the people from the upper financial background people, we try to balance by looking after the younger background, the poorer section of the people. But we don't make any discrimination here about the people who come in here. All of them are treated in the same way and with the same love and same affection. We have so many set of parents here, and that makes us feel very, very proud. And we are happy to have them. And as I said, they are playing a dual role for us. They are parents as well as my own children. So whether there cannot be good parents and bad parents, they are only parents, according to me. So respect the elderly, respect the parents, or for whatever they are. Because if they were not there, we wouldn't have been here today. So in a world where there are so many orphanages and so many children who are deprived of parents, they have no parents at all. They are termed as orphans. But here we feel so very proud of ourselves because we have so many parents. We also have about 25 to 30 people on the waiting list. But right now we have a capacity only of about 40 residents. And when people call us up and ask us, Madam, when is going to be the next vacancy? When will there be a vacancy? So it is a very difficult question to answer because in an old age home a vacancy can be created only if somebody dies. So that is a very tough kind of a situation for us to handle. So we have kept a lot of people waiting, and we are hoping that we will be able to give them our services. Probably the vacancy might not get created here at all. They may even die even before they come here. So it is a very dicey situation, and nothing can be really said about it. We are just hoping that we will be able to help all those people who have come to us and who have approached us for help. We require some kind of piece of a land or a property where we can house ourselves. We are staying in rented premises. We are paying a huge rent every month, which is really pricking our pockets. So, and where do the funds come from? Luckily, we have some good well-wishers who are supporting, and some of the family members are paying for their stay here. That's why we are able to sort of break even. Otherwise, it would have been very difficult for us. So, before I appeal to the public to help us out with our formal logo that Mr. Mohan Pai had formed for Om Ashram, he said, help us help them.
Strongly for the cause of the elderly. That is the reason I support Om Ashram Trust, and I know Om Ashram Trust is doing a great job of supporting all the abandoned elderly in Bangalore. Basically, I wanted to help them in a way that gives them some sort of sustainability. So we raise funds for them. We take care of the website management. We help them raising funds for the day-to-day activities and again for the long-term needs also. We help them doing some sort of communication work. Basically to improve the organization to the next level so that they can serve many more people. That is the whole idea of we volunteering for this organization. And every month we come and talk to the people, talk to the inmates, be with them, make them smile, make them talk. And I myself had my wedding reception here only a few months back. So we are about 20 to 30 committed volunteers. We help this organization do the work better by serving the abandoned elderly.
Lights ಇದಾಕಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವು?
2 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು.
2 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು.
2 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
ಏನು 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ನಾವು
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ?
ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದೆ. ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದೂ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಊಟ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಅಜ್ಜಿ?
ಹ?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಯಸ್ಸು?
96.
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ. ಇಬ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿಸ್ಕೇ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು ಪೊಲೀಸ್
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು?
ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಂತು
She is the best. Otherwise she is a very smiling face.
ಹಲೋ, ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆಂದು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುನೀತಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ. ನನಗೆ 73 ವರ್ಷ ವಯಸ್ಸು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯಿತು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಗೀತಮ್ಮ ಅಂತೂ ತಾಯಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಮನೆ ನೆಂಬರ್ತ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಆಗಿದೆ. ತಿಂಡಿ, ಊಟ, ಸ್ನಾನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡೋರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟಂಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾತಾವರಣ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಜೀವನ ಸಾಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Advertisement.
Advertisement or? ಯಾಕೆ? ಆರಾಮಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಆರಾಮಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎದ್ದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇದು ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್, ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ್, ಅನಂತಾಗು, ಶಂಕರನಾಗು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾಕಿ.
It's okay, lie down, lie down.
Why we are just hospitalize me?
Yes, I know. I will do that. No, don't cry. I will do it. I'll do it. Don't worry. You lie down. Sir.
I'm not getting it. It's automatically
Automatically it happens.
Tiffany.
Okay. Current ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ನಾನೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಏನೋ ಫೋಟೋ ಗಿಟ ತಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಸುಂದರ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಾದರೆ
ಗೊತ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಶೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹರ್ ಓನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್.
ತೆಗಿಬಾಗ್ಲ
ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಾಜಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಾಜಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡು ನೋಡು
ತೆಗಿ.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ
ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದೀರ ನೀವು? ಹಂಗೋ
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಭಗವಂತ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಾಧವ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಬಾದ್ವೇದ ಗಣಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಖುಷ್ಗಳಪ್ಪ ನಾಮ ನಾಮ ತಂದೈತೆ ಇಕ್ಕೋ 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 ಇಕ್ಕೋ.
Major stroke. And ನೆನ್ನೆ ಅಂತೂ she was almost gone. क्या हो गया माँ? क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया माँ? क्या हो गया? अचानक क्या हो गया आपको? It's fine. Always she does that. ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು?
ಕಾಪಾಡು ಕಾಪಾಡು.
When she came here, every time I, ಹೊಸಬರು ಬಂದಾಗಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮುತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಟಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್ ವಾಸ್, ನನಗೆ ಮುತ್ತು ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೂ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ವಾ, ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಮ್ಮ ಯಾಕೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ಎಷ್ಟು
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
ಒತ್ತಡಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರುವುದೇ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಮಾನಗಳಿಗೆ
ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿತಾರಂತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಏನು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬರೀ ನ್ಯೂಸ್.
ಈ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಗಳಿಸಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಗೆ
ಏನ್ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಏನ್ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಪಲ್ಯ ಸಾಕಾ? ಸೊಪ್ಪಿನ ಪಲ್ಯ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಾಕಾ? ಅಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್? ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನು ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನ ಅಡುಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ರೋಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಆಶ್ರಮದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ డాన్స్. డాన్స్ చేస్తావా? డాన్స్ చేస్తావా? నాకు కావాలా ఇది? నీకు కావాలా? చూడు ఇది కూడా వద్దంటుంది. ಬೇಡ, ಯಾರು ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಈ ರೋಸ್ನ. ನೀವು ಇಸ್ಕೊತೀರಮ್ಮ ಇದನ್ನ? ಬೇಡವಾ? ಬೇಡ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಯಾರು ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರೊಬ್ಬರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ನೀವು ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.